walang magawa this afternoon, so we made the no oven wet bread recipe. Ito yung gawa namin ng aking alaga. It's made of faces. Okay, this is the hindi pa luto. Okay, ito na yung finished product ng wet bread na ginawa namin, na gagawin naming hapunan ngayon. Tsaka meron pang isa dito, dumikit. Okay, thank you for watching.